ऑपरेशन सिंदूर और इंडिया पाकिस्तान कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के दौरान अगर एक हार्ड हिटिंग रियलिटी हम इंडियंस के सामने आई वो ये थी दैट वी प्रोबेबली डू नॉट हैव इनफ इंटरनेशनल सपोर्ट। शायद इसी वजह से हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने ये अहम फैसला लिया है कि इसी महीने हमारे देश से 7 डेलीगेशन टीम्स जाएंगी टू 32 डिफरेंट कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड including the European Union and the United Nations Security Council, in order to brief them on India's foreign policy, especially India's zero tolerance for terrorism and terrorist infiltration in our territorial boundaries. In 7 delegation teams में होंगे 59 leaders, 31 from the ruling National Democratic Alliance and 20 from other parties. Every delegation will have a former diplomat and a Muslim representatives. India एक hard power तो है ही with its military strength and nuclear capabilities, but now the Prime Minister is further working to make it a soft power, which would include its influencing abilities in international community and image building. Let's quickly see ये 7 डेलीगेशन टीम्स कहाँ जाएंगी। ग्रुप 1 जाएगा सऊदी अरेबिया, कुवैत, बहरीन और अल्जीरिया, which will be head by BJP MP Bejent Jay Panda. Group 2 will go to UK, France, Germany, Italy, Denmark and European Union and will be headed over by BJP MP Ravi Shankar Prasad. Group 3 will head towards Indonesia, Malaysia, South Korea, Japan and Singapore and would be led by Janata Dal United MP Sanjay Kumar Jha. Group 4 will head towards UAE, Liberia, Congo and Sierra Leone and will be headed over by Shiv Sena MP Shrikant Eknath Shinde. Group 5 will head towards USA, Panama, Guyana, Brazil and Colombia and would be led by Congress MP Shashi Tharoor. Group 6 will head towards Spain, Greece, Slovenia, Latvia and Russia and would be led by DMK MP from Tamil Nadu, Kanimozi Karunanidhi. And Group 7 will head to Egypt, Qatar, Ethiopia and South Africa and would be led by NCP MP Supriya Sule.